To make this effect, I have used a frame size of 1080 pixels cross 1350 pixels, and so I will design the poster. So to make this poster, I have chosen 3 images from pixels.com and one I will be using from the Canva library. Okay, so these are the pictures. So this one is a man playing a guitar. This one is a man in blue suit playing a saxophone, and this one is round metal frame with disco light. So these are the 3 images which I'll be using, and another image which I'll be using here is female singer, and I will go to photos, and as you can see this is the picture which I will be using here. So I will go to uploads, and as you can see I have already uploaded the pictures. So I will first use the background, and I will right click here and set image as background, and after that I will just double click it and just center it. Okay, and after that I will click on it and go to edit and scroll down to find blur, and here I will click on whole image, and intensity will be 45. So the blur is done. Now I will just use the next image, which is this one, a man playing a guitar, and I will use the background remover, and this man playing a saxophone. Okay, so this one also I will be using background remover. Okay, and I will just crop out some of the parts. I'll just make it a little smaller. Okay, and after that I will hold on both of the images and just make it smaller. Okay, and after that I will use the female singer image, this one, and just paste it here and right click on it and go to layer, send to back. Okay, and just crop out some of the parts from here so that the lower layer is not visible, because it will not look proper when the main adjustment is done. And after that, as you can see here, the cutout parts are here. So how to hide them? So I'll go here, and here I will write concert crowd, and I will just click on the second image here. You can choose any type of image, and I will click on background remover again, and I will make the image bigger. Okay, and as you can see the cutout parts are easily hidden here, and now I will just crop out the part of the image which is not required in the crowd image, so that I can adjust the next parts accordingly. And I will now use the guitar player here to make it slightly upper, because the guitar is not visible here. I will just go a bit lower. Okay, so this adjustment is done. Now I will go to edit, go to shadows, click on glow, and here I will select the color as white. So white color code is 6 times F. So as you can see the white color is selected, and I will not change any other settings. The size, blur amount and intensity will be same. Now I will hold on to the next image and do the same thing. Change the color to white. And now I will select the female single image and click on glow. but this time I will change the size to 20 and change the color to white. So now as you can see, while adding the shadows here, all the three images became smaller in size, so I will make them bigger again. Okay, and now I will just adjust the background a bit. So the lights looks like is coming from both the sides. And now I will use the text here. Click on add a heading, new, and change the text color to white. Just change it to italics. Okay, and after that go to FX, click on hollow. Okay, and change the thickness to 10. Okay, and just paste it here and just make it bigger to 120, and here I will duplicate it and place it right here. Okay, just make it size 104. Okay, and after that I will add a heading again. Here I will write musical concert, and this time I will just tilt it to -90 degrees. Change the size to 48 and just move it right here and go to FX, click on neon. Just make its size bigger so that it works really well with the blending of the images. So as you can see, our poster design is complete, and I hope you learned something out of it. So please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you.